Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do a little review tutorial on the new Soph X Extra Spice palette and lipsticks. So I basically got the entire collection, which was the palette and the lipsticks. They're in cake syrup and fudge, so they're more like nudes. So there's like two really nice brown nudes, one light brown nude and one dark brown nude and one pink. So cake, syrup and fudge. So those and that. So I've already got makeup on. I've actually come back from work and I thought, do you know what, let me just remove my mascara, start the entire eye base again, and just create the look. So it just makes it easier, and plus I really wanted to try this out, so I just didn't want to wait. So I thought, do you know what, let me do my eyes now. Let me just do it all now. Saves me the hassle for waiting for another day where I'm free, doing my makeup again and doing my eyes. So I might as well do it, because at the end of the day the face makeup is going to be the same, so I might as well just remove the eyes and go with it. So I'm going to create a look today using the new Soph Extra Spice palette. Now I've actually got the first palette that she has, and it's a really lovely palette, lots of colours, very versatile. This one is very nice. It's got very nice bright colours, also very nice shimmery colours. This is the first colour that caught my eye. It's called Infinity. It's a very bright silver and it's absolutely beaut. And I think these are gorge. Now I'm trying to think of a look that I'm going to create today. I want it to be gleaming, I want it to be popping, I want it to stand out. So I want it to be something that it's easy to make or create and, you know, easy to replicate, easy to do. So let me think. So what I'm doing, I'm almost looking at it as if they were quads. So I'm thinking this square right here would be a nice suit. This square right here, this square right here as well. So I'm actually going towards more of the cheesecake, cookie dough, romance and enchanted shade. So I think I'm gonna go for more of a purple look today. I'm more of like a red, especially when it comes to tutorials. So I think I'm gonna go for these four shades right here, and I think they all work really nicely together. So that's what I'm gonna do. My eyes are already prepped and primed and done, so I'm gonna start off with the color cookie dough. I'm gonna put that all over the eyelid, but mainly pushing that into my socket right here. This is my starting colour anyways. I do love to have a nice brown, light brown as a starting colour. It's easier to blend out. The next shade I'm going to take is this one right here. This is like a copper red. It's called Cheesecake, and I'm going to take this on my brush. I'm going to start packing that on my eyelid. And then blending that upwards. I'm going to take a smaller brush with the same cheesecake colour, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. To be honest, I just like this by itself already. It's literally just cookie dough and cheesecake. I love a good, like, almost sunset eye, because it's more packed on the lid, the red, and then it kind of fades to an orangey at the top here. And I think this is a great look anyway, but I feel like I want to step it up a little bit. So I'm going to add some of that enchanted shade here. So this is part of my quad right here. I'm going to take some of that, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye here. And I want to gently smoke this out. I'm just going to add a little bit of that enchanted shade to the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to take the colour Romance, which is like a really nice cranberry shimmer, and I'm going to start to add it to the centre of my eye here, just to see if I should keep it there or drag it out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put it from the center, from the inner to center, to connect it to the dark part of the eye. So this gives you like a really nice cranberry eye. Okay, so I kind of have the shimmer going in towards here, so just to keep it nice and smooth, I'm going to take that cheesecake colour again. This was the second colour we used. Just a quick pat, and I'm just going to dust it like this, like a broom broom broom, just around the eyes, like that. And that kind of buffs out the edges a little, softens it up. Now I'm going to take the colour here, which is a really bright silver, and it's called Infinity. It's a shimmer. I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eyes because I want that pop, and I feel like this will give me that pop. So I'm just going to take it off the brush and brush it on my hand to see how it looks like. If I feel like it needs more glow, I'm going to spray some setting spray on the brush, pick it up, and then I'm going to apply it. So I'm going to spray the brush because it definitely needs something wet to pick up with. That right in the inner corner here. I just use my finger to blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna add some Clinique 18 Intense Black Honey Quick Liner for Eyes Intense in the waterline. This gives me like a really subtle purple tone, really subtle. To be honest, it's not very good for me to put things in my eyes right now because hay fever is irritating the heck out of my eyes. I'm going to use the Superdrug Own Natural Edition 13s on, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. I'm going to swatch all the lipstick colours for you so you can see what they look like, and then I'll pick which one matches the best for this look. So let's start off with Cake. I'm just going to simply line my lips with the MUA Caramel Nougat Pencil Lip Liner. Just going to line it. The lipstick has a little engraving of Soph X on it. Just here. Oh, you might have to see the other side. There you go, Soph X. I love the formula, very smooth and lovely. So this is Cake. It's a nice pink nude. Alright, the next one I'm going to try is called Syrup. It is the lighter one of the last two. So this is more like a cappuccino nude. So far all of them are glossy. They're not like matte lipsticks. They're just like really nice smooth formula lipsticks. They're really nice. I love this kind of formula, and it reminds me of the formula of their like Life on the Dance Floor lipsticks that were limited edition. Those were perfect. So it feels like that. Really luxurious and creamy. And last but not least, this one's called Fudge, which is a more darker brown nude. And here it is, a much more darker brown nude with a hint of orange in it, like an orange undertone. This one makes me feel the lightest because it's like dark eyes, dark lips. To be honest, this kind of goes, but I'm feeling more of the lighter pink. This goes, but I feel so pale, so I think I might just go with the first one. I just like Cake better. I just feel like I love the light pink. I don't usually rock pinks, But I really like this, and I think this, I'm looking at my TV screen, which is my monitor. So if anyone's wondering why I'm always looking over here, it's because I can see myself. But it is a really nice pink, and it's really smooth and creamy, and I think I just like this colour more than the other ones. Though if I'm feeling more, you know, nude, brown nudes, if I'm feeling more that, then those are definitely the colours that I would go for. I'm kind of glad I bought the whole collection, because now I've got more lipsticks to use, you know, I can never have enough. So yeah, this is the look. It is a really simple cranberry eye with an icy silver pop in the tear ducts and a nice like pink nude lip. So yeah, this is the Soph X collection. These are her new products, so these just came out a couple days ago, I think. I'm not very sure, but yeah, so you've got the Extra Spice palette, and then you've got the three lipstick shades, new lipsticks. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I really like it. They're very pigmented, as you can see. Just a dash of like, just wet your brush, wet your finger, whatever it is, dip it into the shimmers. It's gonna be beautiful. So they come out really like glowy and popping, like they're out here. So yeah, if you want it to be really out here and vivid, wet the brush, wet your finger, whatever tool you're using. But if you want it to be nice, subtle, but still shimmery, you don't have to wet it. So here's the look. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. If there's anything you want to see me do, I still have more videos to do. I have a lot of requests at the moment, so I'm going to try to fulfill every single one that I've found and people ask me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.